Good morning, children. Let us revise the formula for the previous chapter. Okay, see that what are they? Perimeter of triangle. What is perimeter of triangle? Sum of all the sides. That is A plus B plus C. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square formula. Do you remember? 4 into A, 4 into side, that is 4 into A, or we can written as 4A, isn't it? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B, isn't it? Area of square. What is the formula for area of square? Side into side, that is A into A, or we can written as A square. A into A square. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle L into B. This we can written as LB. That means there is no symbol in between the two letters. It considered as multiplication. This all everything we learnt in previous classes, isn't it? So, you remember this? From this, what you observe? See, A, B, C. But till now we learnt addition and subtraction and multiplication or division, all arithmetic operations using numbers. Also here for this also we have substitute some values of A, B, L, C, everything, isn't it? So this is, what is this? This is formula for the shapes, plane shapes. But see only this one. These are some A, B, C are variables. L, A, B, C, L, B, everything are variables. That means alphabets, English alphabets, English letters. We are using letters here, and in between some operation. Some operation. What operation? Multiplication, addition, multiplication, addition, something. Okay, so when you use numbers and letters with arithmetic operations, it is called algebraic expression. This only we are going to see in algebra. The next chapter, 11th chapter, algebra. In this what you are going to learn? You are going to learn letters and the numbers, operations of the letters and numbers. The letters in algebra we can use alphabets, that is variables. That alphabets are, we can read it, say it as variables. Why we are saying this variables? Because in this variable, all the letter, all the alphabets you can use as a variables in algebra. For these letters we can substitute any number, any value. So the value of the letters can vary, different. So it is called variable. Okay, and the numbers is constant. It has only the its values are not changed. 2 means 2 only, because it is a number. We can't change its value, but the variable's value can change. We can substitute, we can give any number for the variable. L equal to 3, B equal to 4, A equal to 6. Likewise, in one problem, while finding the area of square or perimeter of square, you are substituting the values of side. Instead of A, you are using side. The values for each problem it changes, varies. So the value of the variable is varies, that means different. Okay, so this is called expression. What is expression? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is nothing but variables and constants. Some variables and constants combined with some arithmetic operations, that is here a plus b plus c. Here variables are there. These variables are combined with addition, the operation addition. Likewise, here the constant and the variable combined with multiplication. So we can return in this form 4a. That is, it has no sign, symbol, it considered as multiplication. So likewise, 2 into L plus B. So 2 constant, then here a multiplication, then length, variable, some variables with addition. So the arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All these 4 operations with the some variables and constants. It is called arithmetic, so algebraic expressions. Okay. So for example, so what is algebra, you understand? Algebra is nothing but in algebra we are going to study the variables with the variables, letters, alphabetic letters. In this, first one is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is nothing but constants and variables, or variables and constants. Variables and constant. Constants means numbers combined with arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. Okay, for example, we can give some more example for algebraic expression, that is a plus 4. Here a is a variable, 4 is a constant. A plus 4, it is an expression. Or 6x. 6 and x are in multiplication symbol, so it is a expression. 3y by 2 plus 7. So this is also an expression, 3 by 2 y plus 7. Here one variable is there, here number. This 3 by 2 is in multiplication here with y and addition operation. Understand? Or 4 by z minus 7y. Likewise, okay, somewhere here 4 and z are in division, minus subtraction operation, 7 and y are in multiplication. So this is also a expression. So expression is, algebraic expression is a combination of constants and the variables with arithmetic operation. Okay. So ஒரு நம்பரும் ஒரு வேரியபிள் லெட்டர்ஸ் alphabetsம் ஒரு arithmetic ஆப்ரேஷனோட மிங்கிள் ஆகி அடிஷனோ சப்ராக்ஷனோ மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனோ டிவிஷனோ எந்த ஆப்ரேஷனாக இருந்தாலும் அதோட மிங்கிள் ஆகி கலந்து வர்றது தான் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன், algebraic expression. Okay. So using this we can identify some expressions. Some expression with variable. Expression with variable அப்படின்னா இப்படி எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் இருக்கணும், வித் வேரியபிள் ஒன்று இருக்கணும். வெறும் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் மட்டும் இருந்தால் ஒன்லி திஸ் இஸ் கான்ஸ்டன்ட், நியூமரிக்கல் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன், வெறும் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் நம்பர் மட்டும் இருக்கிறது. தட் மீன்ஸ் 2 plus 4. This is also an expression, but this is numerical expression, not algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression na variables mingle ஆகி இருக்கிறது algebraic expression, that means with variables. Okay, this you can apply, you can identify the expressions, algebraic expressions from the given some more expressions are there, you can identify. Okay, that we can see here in exercise in this chapter 11.1 and 11.2 are not necessary because everything are given in a this formulas. Using formula only, they repeatedly given to make a expression. Okay, so we can go this 11.1 and 11.2 not necessary. We are going to see 11.3. Exercise 11.3. Take your book, page number 233, exercise 11.3. See that? In this, first and second also not necessary. This is only, you can identify the numerical expressions, that not necessary. First you know what you have to know for future, what is algebraic expression and what is algebraic equation, then you can how to identify these expressions. Okay, this is enough. So first we see this expression. See exercise 11.3 in that fourth Roman, from fourth Roman. Give expressions for the following cases. Here this is expression. In this question, give expressions for the following cases. They given in words, you have to create an expression. They given this expression in the statement form, we write in the algebraic expression. See the first one, 7 added to p. 7 added to p. So that means 7 is added. Added what symbol? Plus. To p. p யோட 7 add பண்ணிருக்கு அப்படின்றத சொல்றோம். 7 added to p. So what is the expression? p plus 7. Understand? Next, B question. Seven subtracted from p. This 7 is added to p. We can write 7 p plus 7 or 7 plus p. This is also correct because addition is commutative. We can reverse the place. We'll get the same answer. We can write like both the way. Next, B question. For subtraction, you write very carefully. 7 subtracted from p. 7 subtracted from p. 7 subtract பண்ணனும் எங்கிருந்து? from p. p லிருந்து subtract பண்ணனும். So what we have to write first? p. from p. So p minus 7. This is the correct way. You can't write 7 minus p. This is wrong. If the word is given 7 subtracted from p. So p only we should write first. Clear? Okay. See question. p multiplied by 7. p multiplied by 7. p you 7 multiply பண்ணனும். So how it is? p into 7 or 7 into p. In normal general we have to write the constant before then variable. So we can use 7p. Okay, this is the correct way. D question. p divided by 7. p divided by 7. p by 7. Okay. Next, E. 7 subtracted from minus m. 7 subtracted from minus 7. This is also 7 subtracted from minus m. So which one write first? Minus m. Minus m subtract. It's 7. Understand? Minus m minus 7. E. F. Minus p multiplied by 5. Minus p multiplied by 5. So number in multiplication number should write first. So 5 into minus p. You should not write like this, into. Okay. If you not for into we need not to write a symbol. If it is multiplication. When you write it like this, 5 into minus p, if you don't put a sign here without bracket, it consider as 5 minus p. So it is wrong. So 5 into p we write in a bracket. Then for this you can write multiplication, the sign comes front, minus 5p. Understand how to write? Next, G question. G question. Minus p divided by 5. Minus p divided by 5. The same word. Okay. This minus p divided by 5. Or this minus in right in the center also it's okay. H. H problem. P multiplied by minus 5. the same thing, p multiplied by minus 5, p into minus 5. When multiplication, the constant should write in the first. So minus 5 into p. Understand? Minus 5 into p. Okay, is it correct? Can you follow the questions? How to write the expressions for the given statements? Okay. Next, fifth question. This is also same way. This all the questions you can write in a book itself or classwork. See, you have to write in your classwork chapter 11 algebra, then algebraic expression, heading, write the statement and example. After that, in this exercise 11.3, you can write this in a book itself. This is okay. Okay, the statement are given, near to that you can write this expression. Next, fifth question. Here also you can write your answer in a book. Give expressions in the following cases. This is also the same. First question, A, 5A. 11 added to 2m. 11 added to 2m. 11 plus 2m or 2m plus 11. Both you can write. I will write 2m plus 11. Understand? Next B question. 11 subtracted from 2m. 11 subtracted from 2m. So which one do you should write? 2m. From 2m. So 2m minus 11. Understand? C question. 5 times y which 3 is added. Till now only 2 terms. In expression only 2 terms. Number or variable or variable or number or operation. But here increased. Some operation increased. See here, listen carefully. 5 times y to which 3 is added. Times, 5 times. How do you write? That means 5 times, what you have to? Multiples. Times means multiples. 5 times நம்ம திருப்பி பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? 5 times அப்படிங்கும்போது multiplication. இப்போ timesனா என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? Multiplication. 5 times y. So 5 into y. Which 3 is added. அது கூட 3 யும் add பண்ணணும். Okay, so what is the answer? 5 times y means 5y, which 3 is added, plus 3. Okay, 5y plus 3. Do you understand? 5 times y, which 3 is added. 3 is added, plus 3. Clear? Okay, let's go to second. Next one, D question. Five times y from which 3 is subtracted. From which 3 is subtracted. 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted. So that means adilirundu from which 3 is subtracted. 3 is subtract பண்றோம். எதிலிருந்து? 5y இலிருந்து தான். Okay. So 5 times y from this which 3 is subtracted. Understand? Next, equation. Y is multiplied by minus 8. Y is multiplied by minus 8. Y into minus 8. So number we have to write in a front. So minus 8 into y. Minus 8y. Is it correct? Are you understand? Good. Next, fifth, F. Y is multiplied by minus 8. Y is multiplied by minus 8. That means minus 8y. And then 5 is added to the result. First, what is given? Y is multiplied by minus 8. So we can write the number in first. Y is multiplied by minus 8. And then add, and then 5 is added to the result. And then in the result, இது கூட இதை பண்ணுனா இதுக்கப்புறம் வர ரிசல்ட் இல்லை 5 add பண்றீங்க. So with this add 5 together. இதுக்குள்ள சேர்த்து இதோட சேர்த்து இத பண்றோம். இது ப்ராடக்ட் சேர்த்து அப்படியே தான் சேர்ந்து தான் இருக்கும். அதோட +5 போடுறோம். -8y + 5. Are you understand? Okay, G question. Y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. So y is multiplied by 5, that means 5y, and the result, the 5y is subtracted from 16. So which one you have to write first? 16 minus the result. What is that? Y multiplied by 5. So that means 5y. Clear? 5 multiplied by y and the result is subtracted from 16. Understand? Okay. H question. The last one, H. Y is multiplied by -5. Y is multiplied by -5 and the result is added to 16. So y is multiplied by -5. What is that answer? -5y. -5y and the answer and the result is added to 16. Okay, this 16 we can write before or so this is okay. -5y plus 16. Understand? So write down all this Roman in a book itself. There is a space in book, you can write, read the terms and write. Do you understand all this? Okay, likewise we are going to see 6th question. In 6th we have to frame. We have to frame, that means form expressions using t and 4. Use not more than one number operation. Every expression must have t in it. You can create some more expression using t and 4. Use one operation. That means either plus or minus or multiplication or division. In this, any one of the operation used in each expression, you have to apply the both term. You have to use t and 4 in each expression. So we can, how many expressions you can create, you can write it. What will be 4 plus t? Is it? I'll write I write here. Okay, the exercise 11.3, 4th A question, p plus 7. Okay, now which question? 6th one. They can use 4 and t and make some more expressions using both the term 4 and t and use one operation. That means 4 plus t. Okay, next 4 minus t, one operation, but we used both letters 4 and t. Next 4 into t, 4 divided by t. Okay, likewise we can write t minus t plus 4, t minus 4, then 4t we have to write like this only, t by 4. Likewise we can write more expressions using the t and 4. Okay, likewise we can create more expressions. This is for A question. Likewise they given B question, form expression using y, 2 and 7. Every expression must have y in it. Use only 2 number operation. Here there are 3 numbers, letters is given, sorry, numbers y and 2 numbers, one variable and 2 numbers are given. Using 3 we have to create some expressions, but each expression the letter y should be there. So 3 numbers are there, so that we can apply 2 operation. Here only 2 numbers, so 1 operation we used. Here we can use 2 operations. What are the numbers? Y, 2 and 7. So we can use 2y plus 7. Okay, next 7y plus 2. Likewise 2 by 7y or 7y by 2 or any other 2 by 7y. Likewise we can create some more. Here only one operation we can apply here, division and multiplication. Division and multiplication are the multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, likewise 2y minus 7, likewise subtraction, multiplication, subtraction. Likewise we can create many expression. So now we understood what is expression. So these problems are, you can understand what is expression. This one they given statement, from that we can create a expression. Understand? So write everything in a book, but this statement till now you have to write in a classwork. Now exercise 11.4, they given statement. Here 2 more operations we have to apply. See, read the question and we have to create a expression. See that first question, answer the following. First one, in this A. This is also we can write in a book. Read the question carefully and then write. First see the question. Take Sarita's, no, you can't write in a book. You should write these questions in a classwork. Okay, take Sarita's present age to be y years. Sarita's present age to be y years. What will be her age 5 years from now? What will be her age 5 years from now? Second question, what was her age 3 years back? What was her age 3 years back? Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is grandmother's age? Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? So here they given only clue is Sarita's present age is y years. Till now we are doing calculation about years and whatever using numbers, but here they given variable. Using this variable we have to find out the remaining people's age. Okay, so we have to write, they given Sarita's present age. So Sarita's present age is y years. Okay, now from this we have to go for first option. What will be her age 5 years from now? Her age, Sarita's age, her age from 5 years from now. That means what will be 5 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம், இப்போ இதிலிருந்து 5 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன? அப்போ after 5 years. Her age after 5 years. After 5 years. What will be? How do we get? That means at present my age is 3 years. At present my age is 3 years. What will my age after 5 years? From now. From now after 5 years what will be my age? That means now 3, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to add 5. After 5 years we have to add 5 to the present age, isn't it? So her present age is y. After 5 years we have to add 5. Understand? So her age after 5 years. After 5 years her age is y plus 5 years. Are you understand how to create? Okay. Likewise, we'll go to find her father's age, mother's age, grandfather, everybody's. See that. What was her age 3 years back? Her age 3 years back. Back, before. What to do? After we are adding, before we have to subtract. Her age before 3 years. Or back, 3 years back. 3 years back, that means back, before 3 years. That means at present y years, at present I have 3 years. What will be the age of before 3 years? We have to subtract. 3 years ku munadi enakku 0. newborn baby, isn't it? Likewise, at present she is 6 years. So 3 years back her age is y minus 3. Y minus 3 years. Are you understand? Okay. Next, third question. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? So age of her grandfather. Age of her grandfather or grandfather's age is, what they given? Grandfather age is 6 times her age. 6 times na multiplication, times na multiplication. 6 into her age is y years. So 6 times of y, 6y. 6 times her age is y. At present her age is y. So 6 times y, that is 6y. Clear? Next, fourth question. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is grandmother's age? So grandmother's age or age of her grandmother. Grandmother's age is equal to, what they given clue? Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. 2 years younger than grandfather. Grandfather 2 years younger, chinnavanga, smaller. So subtract. Okay, so grandfather age is 6y. From this, 2 years younger. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather's age. Grandfather age is 6y. 2 years younger na chinnavanga illaya, 2 varsham kammi, less. Subtract. 6y minus 2 years. Understand? Next, fifth question. Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So father's age, Sarita's father's age is equal to, what they given? Father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's. So 5 years more than means included, added. So 5 plus 5 to 3 times Sarita's age. Sarita's age is y. 3 times 3y. More than 3y. 3 times Sarita's age is 3y. More than, add 5 years. 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Clear? So how do we create? From the situation, we have to create a expression. Understand? So likewise, here they given B, C, D, E. Shall we do that? Next, B question, see that. The length of rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if breadth is B meters? The length of the rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the wall. Length பத்தி சொல்றாங்க. 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the wall. What is the length? Length தான் கேட்கணும். Length வந்து in terms of breadth சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So if the breadth is B meter, breadth எவ்வளோன்றது சொல்லியாச்சு. என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? breadth B meter கொடுத்தாச்சு. See, we have to find out length in terms of B. Okay, let's see. So breadth equal to B meters. Okay, it is given. So we have to find out length. How they given length? See, 4 meters less than. 4 meters less than. 4 meter கம்மியா இருக்கான். எங்க இருந்து? 3 times the breadth of the hall. 3 times the breadth. breadthல 3 times of breadthல இருந்து 4 meter கம்மி. So 3 times of breadth. 3 times of breadth. Breadth is how much? B. 3 times of breadth less than 4 meter. Understand? 3 times of breadth less than 4 meter. Less than 4 meter, 3 times of the breadth. Understand? How to write? This is in meters. Okay? How to create? So in letter எதுக்கு letter கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அதை எழுதிட்டு and in terms of that we have to find out the another one. Next is C question. A rectangular box has height h centimeter. Rectangular box has height h centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and the breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of height. So in this, one letter is given, that letter is h for height. So what is given, that we have to write h centimeter. H centimeter is given. Height, rectangular box has height h centimeter. Its length பத்தி சொல்றாங்க. So we have to write length and breadth in terms of h. h ல lengthையும் breadthையும் எழுதுறோம். So first length. See that length? Length is 5 times the height. Length is 5 times the height. அவ்வளவுதான், and breadth னு போயாச்சு. So length is 5 times the height. So 5 times the height means multiplication. 5 into height. Okay? Length is 5 times height. 5 into height centimeter. Next, and breadth. Breadth equal to, and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. 10 centimeter less than the length. Length விட 10 centimeter கம்மியா breadth. அப்ப length how much? 5h is less than 10 centimeter. Okay, 5h minus length less than 10. So breadth is 5h minus 10 centimeter. Understand how do we write? We return this length and breadth in terms of h. Clear? How to create a expression using the situation. Clear? Okay. Next, see this D problem. Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. There are 3 girls. They climbing. Meena is at step yes. Meena is at step yes. Beena is 8 steps ahead and Leena 7 steps behind. Where are Beena and Meena? The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than the 4 times what Meena has reached. Express the total number of steps using yes. Total number of steps, okay. Express total number of steps using yes. Here 3 girls, Meena, Beena and Leena, climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is the step yes. Meena is at yes. Is at the step yes. Meena is at step yes. Then next Meena they given. Beena is at step which where she is. Beena is 8 steps ahead. Meena விட 8 steps ahead. இன்னும் மேலே போயிருக்கா. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? s plus 8. So Meena is at step yes. Beena is 8 steps ahead. So அவளை விட 8 steps மேலே இருக்கா. So s plus 8. Understand? Next Leena. Leena is at step. Leena 7 steps behind. Leena 7 steps behind. Behind to Meena. Meena விட பின்னாடி இருக்கறா behind. அப்ப என்ன வரும்? s minus 7. Leena is at step s minus 7. Understand? So where are Beena and Meena? Beena and Meena where they are? We return. Next, again the total number of steps to the hilltop is total number of steps at the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. So 10 less than 4 times Meena reached. So 4s minus 10. Understand? அவளை விட 4 times minus 10 steps கம்மியாக இருக்கும். So total number of steps total number of steps is equal to how much? 10 less than 4 times the mean are reached. 4 times mean are reached, yeah, 4 is 10 less than 4 is minus 10 equal to 4 is minus 10. Understand? This everything we written in this the help of yes in this question. Clear? So how do you make the situational problems using variable and make your expression? Understand? Next, E sum is only one is there. So write this all the problems, this exercise 11.4, this all the problems in classwork. Okay. Next, equation. See that? A bus travels at v kilometer per hour. A bus travels at v kilometer per hour. It is going from Tazpur to Bispur. After the bus has travelled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 kilometer away. What is the distance from Tazpur to Bispur? Express it using v. A bus travels at v kilometer per hour. That means for 1 hour it is travels v kilometer. This is they given the places from Tazpur to Bispur. This is the distance. Okay, the bus travels v kilometer per hour. So for 1 hour it travels v kilometer. The bus travels in 1 hour v kilometer. So after 5 hours, how much it travels? After 5 hours, 1 hour. Likewise, v for each 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, v it will become. So overall, at the time of 5 hours, how many kilometer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5v, isn't it? 5 times. So in 5 hours, it travels 5v kilometer. In 1 hour, bus travel v kilometer. So for 5 hours, 5v kilometer, isn't it? It is going from Tazpur to Bispur. After the bus travelled 5 hours, 5 ஹவர்ஸுக்கு எவ்வளோ தூரம் பண்ணியிருக்கும்? 5v கிலோமீட்டர் ட்ராவல் ஆகிருக்கும். அந்த ஆஃப்டர் 5 ஹவர்ஸ்க்கு என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா பீஸ்பூர் இஸ் ஸ்டில் 20 கிலோமீட்டர் அவே. ஸோ இந்த ரிமைனிங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் 20 கிலோமீட்டர். இது வரைக்கும் 5v கிலோமீட்டர் நம்ம மூவ் பண்ணிட்டோம். 5 ஹவர்ஸுக்கு 5v கிலோமீட்டர் மூவ் பண்ணியாச்சு. த ரிமைனிங் distance is 20 kilometer. Remaining distance after 5 hours is 20 kilometers. So what will be the total length? Sorry, what is the distance from Tazpur to Bispur? Do you understand? Yeah, draw here clearly. Tazpur, Bispur. So the distance for 1 hour the bus travels v kilometer. So for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hours. At the time of 5 hours, so for 1 hour it moves v kilometer. At the time of 5 hours, how much? 5v, 1v. Each 1 hour 5 kilometer, v kilometer. So after 5 hours, 5v kilometer. Okay. So this one, the distance is 5v kilometer. That means 5 hours. In the 5 hours, 5v kilometer we moved. The remaining, after 5 hours, the distance between the Bispur is 20 kilometer. So after 5 hours, the Bispur is 20 kilometer away. So the remaining distance is 20 kilometer. So what is the total length of the distance, total distance between Daspur and Bispur? So we have to add the distance. 5 hours we crossed this distance, the remaining distance 20. So total distance equal to 5v plus 20 kilometer. Do you understand? Okay, 5 hours we traveled 5v kilometer, and after 5 hours Bispur is 20 kilometer away, so the remaining distance is 20. So we can add both the distance, we'll get the total distance 5v plus 20 kilometer. Understand? Okay. So in this exercise this is enough. So read the question once or twice and get the answer. Repeatedly you have to see, then only we'll get a easy to form a expression. Understand? Okay. Next, this is enough. This only one question is enough for in this exercise. Next, equation. Algebraic equation. What is equation? Equation is nothing but, in an algebraic expression there is equal to sign. For example, we said, so likewise this itself 5v plus 20 is an expression, in this which is equal to 80. Okay, some other number, it has a equal to sign. An expression has equal to sign, and then some numbers or some expression, whatever it is there, it is called equation. An expression has equal to sign, then it is a equation. Okay, an expression வெறும் நம்பர்ஸ் மட்டும் கிடையாது, எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் இருக்கணும். வேரியபிளோட இருக்கிறது தான் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன். அந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷனுக்கு ஈக்குவல் டு சைனோட இருந்தனா it is a equation. When we substitute some values for the variable, this equation should satisfy. இப்போ இதுக்குன்னு ஒரு நம்பரை போட்டு சால்வ் பண்ணனா which is equal to you get the same number 80 அப்படின்னு வரணும். அப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னா இது will get a equation. அப்போ எப்படினாலும் ஏதாவது ஒன்று போட்டாலும் நமக்கு இங்கே ஒரு இது கிடைக்கும். அப்போது ஒரு வேரியபிள் கண்டிப்பாக இருந்தால் தான் ஒரு எக்ஸ்பிரஷன், அந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஈக்குவல் டு சைன் இருந்தால் இட் இஸ் அ ஈக்குவேஷன். Example 3x plus 2 equal to 9. Eight. Okay, 3x plus 2 equal to 8. 4a equal to 10. Somewhat 4a equal to 10. Then a by 2 equal to 20. Likewise. So some expression has equal to sign, it is called equation. Understand? Now we are going to see the equation and verify the equation. The equation is satisfied or not. See the exercise 11.5. Exercise 11.5. Should write this question in a classwork. Exercise 11.4, the first Roman, all the questions in the classwork, and write the statement of equation in classwork with the example. And we'll go to see exercise 11.5. In this, you can write in a book. First question. This first question, write in book. State which of the following are equations with the variable. Give reason for your answer. Identify the variable from the equations with the variable. So நீங்கள் just identify மட்டும் பண்ணுங்க போதும். அந்த புக்கில் பண்ணிக்கலாம். See, எதெல்லாம் ஈக்குவேஷன் என்ன பண்ணணும், ஒரு எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் இருக்கணும், அதில் வித் வேரியபிள், எக்ஸ்பிரஷன்னாவே வித் வேரியபிள், தட் இஸ் கால்டு எக்ஸ்பிரஷன், அல்ஜிப்ரிக் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன். ஸோ எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் இருக்கணும், அதில் ஒரு ஈக்குவல் டு சைன் இருக்கணும், வேறு எந்த சைனும் இருக்கக்கூடாது, லெஸ் தேன், கிரேட்டர் தேன், அந்த சைன்லாம் இருக்கக்கூடாது, ஒன்லி இன் ஈக்குவல் டு சைன், திஸ் சைன் ஒன்லி வில் பி தேர். இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு வேரியபிளோட இருக்கணும், அதில் ஒரு ஈக்குவல் டு சைன் இருக்கணும், தட் இஸ் கால்டு ஈக்குவேஷன். இதில் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாமா, எது எதுன்னு கண்டுபிடிங்க பார்க்கலாம், குயிக். First one, A question, that is 17 equal to x plus 7. This is x variable, equal to sign is there. So this is equation. Next, B, no, because it has greater than sign, no. Next, C equation, 4 by 2 equal to 2. Equal to sign is there, but variable, no variable, so it is not an equation. D is also no variable, 7 into 3 minus 19 equal to 8. There is no variable, so it is not a equation. Next, E question, 5 into 4 minus 8 equal to 2x. X is there, okay, equal to sign is also there, so it is a equation. E, 5 into 4 minus 8 equal to 2x. Okay, you select that, you put tick for that equation. Next, F, x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. Variable is there, equal to sign is there. So, x minus 2 equal to 0. This is an equation. G question, 2m less than 30. Is it? Less than symbol. So, it is not an equation. Next, H, 2n plus 1 equal to 11. H, 2n plus 1 equal to 11. Variable, equal to sign. So, it is an equation. I question, no variable, no. Next, J. J has equal to sign and also variable. 7 equal to 11 into 2 plus P, isn't? So, equal to sign is there, P variable is there. Next, K question, 20 equal to 5y, variable y and equal to sign also. Next, L, less than symbol, so it is not. M, greater than symbol, no, it is not an equation. Next, N, equation is there but variable is missing, no, it is not an equation. O question, 7 minus x equal to 5. X is there, x variable is there and equal to sign is there. Okay. So, in this first Roman, here these are the equation. Remaining numbers are not equation because it has no variable or no equal to sign. Clear? So, what is equation, you understood? Okay. So, mark in this exercise, this sum, first problem in a book. Next, second question, see in your book, tabular column is there, serial number, equation, value of variable, equation satisfied. So, serial number, equation, value of variable, equation satisfied or not. Yes or no, okay. So, I give 1 or 2 and the remaining you can write. First one, 10y equal to 80. 10y equal to 80, this is equation. Y equal to 10, value of the variable y is 10. Is this equation satisfied or not? So, you substitute the value y in this 10y equal to 80 they given. Okay, 10 into y, instead of y we have to substitute 10. This is into, there is no symbol, it is considered as into. Y value 10, which is equal to how much? 100. Is it equal to 80? They are given 80. So it is not equal to 80. So this is not satisfied. The value y is equal to 10 is not satisfied the equation. So it is no. Understand? So you have to do in this itself or here. 10 into 10 equal to 100. It is not equal to 80. Therefore no. Second, 10y equal to 80, the same equation. Y value is 8. You substitute 10 into y value 8. How much? 80. It is equal to 80. So yes. Understand? So the equation is given, value of the variable is given. Is it satisfied or not? You substitute the value of this variable in this equation, and if the value is correct, it is satisfied. If not equal, so it is not satisfied. Understand? Likewise you have to write. Say C, A, B, C, yeah. A, B, C. C question. This is also 10y equal to 80. Y value they given 5. Same thing we substitute. 10 into 5 equal to how much? 50. Is it equal to 80? No. So no. Understand? Likewise they given all the variables. Next 4l equal to 20. This is also multiplication. Just to multiply and get your answer if it is satisfied or not. Addition. We'll do this addition G problem. B plus 5 equal to 9. B plus 5 equal to 9. B value 5. We satisfied or not? We substitute. B value 5 plus 5 equal to how much? 10. But this value is they given 9. So not equal to 9. No. Understand? Next B plus 5 GH. B plus 5 equal to 9. B value, here B value they given 9. So substitute. Instead of B 9 plus 5 equal to 14. This is also equal, not equal to 9. 14 is not equal to 9. So here also no. Understand? So whether it is addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, they given the value of the variable, you substitute in this equation and you verify, check equal or not. Likewise we have to complete the table. Okay, this you can do it in a book also, in a book itself. Okay, there is a space you can do. Next, third question. This is also they given some values of the variable is given, 3 or 4 values. You have to identify which one is the correct solution of the equation. Third question. This you have to, third question write in a classwork. Pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation. Show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. Everything you have to show. Whatever do here in the tabular column, same thing we have to do in this in a note. Okay. So first question, write the heading. First question, 5m equal to 60. This in the bracket they given some values of m. Some values of m they given. In out of this, which one is the solution of m? That means solution means which satisfied, which number is satisfied to this equation, and the other numbers, which numbers are not satisfied, that also we have to show. So we have to substitute each values of m here and solve. So first 5 into 5m, that means 5 into m value we have to substitute 10. So first we can take m equal to 10. M equal to 10. So 5m equal to 5 into, instead of m, 10. which is equal to 50. Is it equal? So it is not equal to 60. So m is not a solution. Okay, next m equal to 5. M equal to 5. So 5m equal to 5 into 5 instead of 5. 5 5s are 25. This is also not equal to 20. So 5 is also not a solution. Then m equal to 12. Next value 12. So 5m equal to 5 into instead of m 12. 5 12s are 60. Yes, this is equal. So therefore m equal to 12 is the solution. M equal to 12 is the solution. Next, one more thing that also we have to write. M equal to 15. So 5m equal to 5 into 15 equal to how much? 75. This is also not equal to 60. So this is also not a solution. Understand? Likewise, you have to do all the problems. So which one is pick out the solution? So we pick out the solution by substituting everything. Okay, so you have to write this in a classwork. Likewise, 2 more problem I'll give. This is in multiplication. Next, addition, subtraction, division, everything is there. So B question, see, n plus 12 equal to 20. The solution 12, 8, 20, 0. These are the values of n. Here in this expression, in this equation, variable is n. So we substitute the values of n, all this, then we find out the solution. So n equal to 12. So n plus 12 equal to, this n plus 12 equal to, instead of n we substitute to 12 plus 12. How much? 24. Is it equal? No, not equal to 20. So we will go to next number, next 8, n equal to 8. So n plus 12 equal to, instead of n, 8 plus 12. How much? 20. This is equal to 20. Therefore, n equal to 8 is the solution. Okay, next go to 20. n equal to 20. So n plus 12 equal to 20 plus 12 equal to 32. This is not equal to 20. Next 0. n equal to 0. n plus 12 equal to 0 plus 12 equal to 12. This is also not equal to 20. So in this equation, n equal to 8. n equal to 8 is the solution. The remaining numbers are not a solution of n for this equation. Clear? Likewise, subtraction. See question. P minus 5. P minus 5 equal to 5. The numbers are 0, 10, 5 minus 5. 0, 10, 5 minus 5. Okay. First one, the value of P equal to 0. Substitute P minus 5 equal to, instead of P, 0. 0 minus 5, minus 5. 0 minus 5, minus 5. Is it equal? Not equal to 5. This is minus, this is plus. So it is not a solution. Next we will go to 10. P equal to 10. P minus 5 equal to 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. Equal. Therefore, P equal to 10 is a solution. Understand? Next, P equal to 5. P minus 5 equal to 5 minus 5 equal to 0. This is not equal to 5. Next, P equal to minus 5. So, P minus 5 equal to minus 5 equal to minus 10. Integers. Are you remember? Both are negative sign. So, same sign and add. So, this is not equal to 5. So, in this equation P minus 5 equal to 5, 10 is the solution. P equal to 10 is the solution of this equation. Understand? Likewise, can you do division? Division also is there, q by 2. So instead of q you have to substitute and divide it. Okay, that you need only one, and that problem also I will teach. Did you write it? Write all the sums in a classwork. Okay. Next, dq by 2 equal to 7. The solutions are 7 to 10, 14. 7 to 10, 14. Same way we have to substitute. Here the variable is q equal to 7. Substitute q by 2 equal to 7 by 2. You cannot simplify. 7 by 2, it's a fraction, it is not equal to 7. Okay, next q equal to 2. So substitute here, 2 by 2 equal to 1. This is also not equal to 7. Next we substitute q equal to 10. So q by 2 equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. This is not equal to 7. Next, q equal to 14. q by 2 equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7. This only the correct answer. Therefore, here q equal to 14 is solution. Is the solution. Understand? So whatever operation, addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, whatever it is there, just substitute the values of the variable given, substitute and get the value answer. Is it satisfies the equation? If it is satisfies, this is the solution. If not, it is not a solution. Understand? That's all. Likewise, here E and F are there, addition and subtraction. They given this other variable or a dx. You can do same way all the problems in the classwork. Likewise, fourth problem, fifth riddles, that no need not. Fourth problem ABC, this is also given in a equation. We have to find out this m plus 10 equal to 16. They given which is the solution. Complete the table and then find the solution of that equation. M plus 10 equal to 16. Again numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 extra கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. நீங்க substitute பண்ணி identify பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். Okay, you do yourself. Okay, do all the problems in the classwork. This chapter 11 is over. Okay, bye. Thank you.